Welcome back to Clark Star Culinary. Today we're making crispy fried tofu. I have 1 pound of medium firm tofu. Remove the tofu from the water and blot it dry with a paper towel. Cut the tofu into bite-sized pieces. For right now, we're going to set the tofu to the side and prepare the seasoning. In a mixing bowl, add an 1/8 cup of soy sauce, an 1/8 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix the ingredients well. Place the tofu in. Gently stir, or if your container has a secure lid, place the lid on and gently rotate the container around to coat the tofu with the seasoning. And now we're going to set the tofu aside while we prepare the breader. For the breader, we're going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And now let's mix the breader. Make sure to combine the ingredients really well. Let's go ahead and add some of the seasoned tofu into the breader. Gently toss the tofu into the breader. And now we're ready to fry. I've got the temperature set to medium. We're going to go ahead and drop some of our tofu. If you're using a deep fryer, let the tofu fry for 6 to 8 minutes. If you're frying in a skillet, use the same amount of time, but flip every 2 minutes. Once the crispy fried tofu is done, remove it from the oil and onto a rack to cool and drain. And this is our crispy fried tofu. I'm serving with some sweet chili sauce. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification icon so that you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, bye-bye.